Hi teacher, today I'm presenting my second project. And first, I want to tell you about the challenge that happening about 5 months ago. All this starts when I had lied to go to a party with my friends, and I say to my parents that I'm going to cinema. And that day, anything happened, but the next day, I arrived to my home late after the school with my best friend. And my mom didn't tell me anything, but her father took my friend's cell phone. We think that she had all hidden, but in all photos, she had screenshots where she talked about the party and photos of in the party. And this Monday, our parents know about how she and me realized this Sunday. And on Wednesday of that week, our parents went to school to talk to the teachers, and they say that we are not very well in the school, that we were late for classes, and we didn't have very good friends. And those things are true. And our parents want to be separated with her, but she and me can't believe that. And one teacher talked to them and said that not is the best decision, and they understood. Obviously, we lost completely the trust of our parents, and the same Wednesday, we had been talking to our parents after the school, and crying. They told us that we need change because not is good for us. And yes, until now, these mistakes of the past, they are still quite tormented. And this problem left me many lessons. For example, I need always think about the consequences before doing something. And think about my family because they are the only people that stay always for me, that they never judge me. And yeah, currently, as I said before, those mistakes that I made in the past are still present. But I'm happy because I'm doing the things well with my friend, and we distance the people that knows very well for us, and we are very good in the school. And the most important thing that is that we are regaining the trust of our parents. That's it. Thank you, teacher.